Very good news out of Texas. This is amazing. Texas has ruled that the ban on gay marriages is unconstitutional. A federal judge in San Antonio decided yesterday that the Texas ban on gay marriage simply violates the Constitution. The Lone Star State's refusal to recognize out-of-state same-sex marriages is also unconstitutional, he ruled. As is often the case lately when we see these declarations from state judges that gay marriage bans are unconstitutional, immediately the next appeal level issues a stay. So the decision is to be reviewed. There will not be same-sex marriage in Texas right away. That's not a surprise, though, Lewis. We now have more and more states that are deciding, you know what? These laws serve no purpose. They are discriminatory, or they may be discriminatory, and we're going to get rid of them. And even if the decisions are stayed in the short term, over the long term, again, we see where the momentum is going.
Yeah, this is, I guarantee you, it's being reviewed in every state on one level or another. And it's just kind of, picking up steam. It's an avalanche. It's snowballing right now. And eventually, it will just have to happen in every state.
It's clear what is going on. Just before we went on the air, I don't even have many details, but a Kentucky judge ruled that the lack of recognition of same-sex marriage in Kentucky also violates the law. That has now been ruled upon. We don't have all the details yet, but we will soon. Texas and Kentucky, I know whenever we talk about this, we say, well, Mississippi and Alabama aren't going to go in this direction. They still haven't. But Texas, Virginia, Kentucky, we're starting to border dangerously close to states like Mississippi and Alabama.
Yeah. And once, they may be proud of being holdouts in the long run, but eventually it's going to happen there too.
The fact that so much time and money has gone into trying to resist the inevitable is really very anti-conservative. It is wasteful spending, and it makes absolutely no sense. And really, ladies and gentlemen, we could be moving on to poverty reduction, reduction of income inequality, education, reducing corporate power, space exploration, medical advances, but we're bogged down on what gay couples are doing. It's just such a waste of time and money for everybody. Conservatives should oppose these fights simply on the basis that they're so wasteful financially, but maybe being financially conservative isn't actually their most important priority.
The 3 or 4 prominent, or at least semi-prominent conservatives who have suggested that we focus on more important things quickly become ostracized within their own party.
We've learned that it's really that the Republican Party will turn on you pretty quickly if you fail certain litmus tests that they have.